10 minutes. Here's the result. Okay guys, so first we're gonna put the oil, is the garlic, next is the onion, and then saute it for 1 minute. Now add the ground pork. At this point, add the Knorr cubes. Okay guys, so we're gonna put the spaghetti sauce. Let's put Nestle Cream to make it creamier. Next, let's put all the hot dogs. And next, the pepper, the black pepper. Then the sugar. Okay, I think it's ready. So let's taste it. Oh my god, it's yummy. Let's put first kindness to ourselves. Next, a little more kindness to our colleagues. Let's not forget to share kindness to our planet. And finally, the essence of big kindness to your customers. Happy Peak Amazon September! Don't forget to mix. Okay guys, since we're done cooking the spaghetti, and I put it a little bit of cheese. So let's taste it. Yummy!